Good morning, students. We are finished learning the lesson 4 electricity fully. Now we are going to see the numerical problems. The numerical problems, first one, an electric iron consumes at the rate of 420 watts when heating at the maximum rate 180 and 180 watts when heating is at the minimum rate. The applied voltage is 220 volt. What is the current in each case? This is your first problem. Given data in the first problem is energy consumed 420 watts and 180 watts at the maximum heating rate and the minimum heating rate. Applied voltage is given as 220 volt. These two are given data. And the question asked is what is the current? What is the current in each case? So current, they ask the current. Energy consumed, energy here, energy means power is equal to VI. I ask you to remember VIP. P is equal to V into I. V is 220 volt, I they asked, so P has to be divided by V. What is P in the first case? 420. What is the P in the first case? 420 watts divided by applied voltage 220 divided by 220. 0 and 0 will become cancel. 22 and 42 is cancelled by 2 tables. You will get 21 and 11. Using the division method, you divide and get it. 21 and 11. So it won't be go by 11. Ones are 11. The remaining. So you have to include one more 0. So point 11 nines are 99. The remaining 1 and 10, it won't move, so you have to add 0, then one more 0, then 9 times 99. So in the first case the answer is 1.909 ampere. The second case 180 watts. So power is equal to V into I, whereas the power is 180 watts. V is 220 into I. So 180 divided by 220 is equal to your I. Cancel 0 and 0 and 0. Then 18 by 22. 2 nines are 18, 2 11s are. So divide 9 by 11. Divide 9 by 11. So put 0. So 0.8 times 88. Remaining 2. Then add one more 0. 11 ones are 11. The remaining is 9. 0. 818. So what is the current in each case? In the second case current is 0.818. Once again, the given data is energy consumed at maximum rate of heating and minimum rate of heating. Applied voltage is 220 volt. What is the current? What is the current in the first case? 420 divided by power is equal to V into I. So voltage is 220, power consumed is 180. So 180 divided by 220, you will get 9 by 11. 9 divided by 11, you will get 0.818. In the same for the first case, 420 by P by V is equal to your I. So 420 divided by 220, 0 and 0 get cancelled. 2 21s are 41, 2 11s are 22. 21 divided by 11 you will get 1.909. So the current, what is the current in the first case, current in the second case. Then your second problem. Second problem is 100 watt electric bulb is used for 5 hours daily, and 460 watts bulb is used 4 hours, 5 hours in daily. What is the energy consumed in the month of January in kilowatt hour, they asked. What is the energy consumed? Energy consumed is equal to power into time. Power into time. Then it is the month of January, so it will be having 31 days, and they asked in kilowatt hours, so it should be divided by 1000. Should be divided by 1000. So energy consumed in 100 watt bulb. Energy consumed in 100 watt bulb. First one, 100 into 5 hours. Power into time into number of days 31 divided by 1000. Divided by 1000, you get cancel 0 and 0, 0 and 0. 5 ones are 5. Then 5 into 31. 5 ones are 5. These two multiplying these two, you will get 5. 5 into 31. 5 ones are 5. 5 threes are 15. Divided by 10. Divided by 10. Any number divided by 10, you will be getting a decimal point. 15.5. This is your answer for first case. The second case, 460 watts bulb. So in the second case, 460 watts bulb in the same 5 hours, and January month 31 days in kilowatt hour, so you should divide it by 1000. So cancel 0, 0. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10, 20. Then 4 fives are. First I cancel 0, 0, and using 5 table, 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10 and 0. So 5 20s are 100. Using 4 table I cancel. 4 5s are 20. You will be having 6 into 31 divided by 5. 6 ones are 6. 6 threes are 18. Divided by 5. Using 5 table, you can divide it. 5 threes are 15. Remaining 3. 5 threes are 15. Remaining 3. 5 sevens are 35. 5 sevens are 35. Remaining 1. So 37.2. 37.2. The first case, energy consumed kilowatt hour. Energy consumed in kilowatt hour. The second case, energy consumed in kilowatt hour. Totally add 1 plus 2. The first one is 15.5. The second one is 37.2. 15.5 plus 37.2. What you will get? 5 plus 2 you will get 7. 5 plus 7 you will get 12. 2 1. 52.7 kilowatt hour. This is your answer. See the second one, 100 watt bulb, 5 hours daily in the month of January. It consists of 31 days. In second case, 460 watts bulb, 5 hours daily, the same month of January. So energy consumed formula is P into T. Energy consumed is P into T per day. It consists of 31 days. January month consists of 31 days, so into 31. They asked the answer in kilowatt hour, so we have to divide it by 1000. So 100 into 5 into 31 divided by 1000. Two zeros are cancelled. Multiply 1 into 5, you will get 5. 5 31s are 155 divided by 10, you will get 15.5. Here also, in the second case, 460 watts bulb, 5 hours daily, 31 days in kilowatt hours, so divided it by 1000. So I crossed 0 and 0, then 5 20s are 100, 4 5s are 20 cancel, then 6 1s are 6, 6 into 31 you will get 186. 186 divided by 5 is there, 5 3s are 15, the remaining 3 I am giving to the next number 36. So 5 7s are 35, the remaining 1, so put a dot and add a 0 2 times, 37.2. 15.5 plus 37.2 together 52.7 kilowatt hour. This is your first and second problem. Have you understood? We will see the next two problems in the next video.